I'm going to solve for x on the absolute value problem here. First thing you need to do is make sure that you get the absolute value by itself. So I have to move the -2 and I have to move the negative to the other side. First I'm going to move the -2, so opposite is +2, and then I add 2 on this side as well. So now I have negative absolute value x plus 9 equals 3x plus 14. So with the negative, there's an invisible 1. So this is multiplied by the absolute value of x plus 9. So I'm going to divide both sides by -1. Each piece gets divided by -1 on the right side. So now I have the absolute value of x plus 9 equals negative 3x minus 14. Now that the absolute value is by itself, I'm going to take x plus 9 out, and I'm going to set it equal to negative 3x minus 14, as well as x plus 9 equals 3x plus 14. So I change the negative to a positive and the negative here to a positive as well. Now I'm just going to solve for x on each one. So first thing I'm going to do is move the x's to the left. So opposite of minus 3x is plus 3x on both sides. So I have 4x plus 9 equals negative 14. Then I subtract 9 from both sides. 4x equals negative 23. The last step is to divide each side by 4. So x equals negative 23 over 4. I still have to check my answer, but I'm going to solve for x on the right side first. So here I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides again. So negative 2x plus 9 equals 14. I subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 2x equals 5. My last step is to divide each side by negative 2. So then x equals negative 5 over 2. So my two answers here, I'm going to check. The way you check your answers is you're going to replace x on the original with negative 23 over 4, then the second time with negative 5 over 2. If they equal the same number on each side, then it is a real solution. If it does not equal the same number on each side, then it is an extraneous solution. So first I'm going to replace x with negative 23 over 4. So I'm going to put negative 23 over 4 wherever I see an x. Then from here, I'm going to combine what's inside the absolute value brackets. So negative 23 over 4 plus 9 gives me 13 over 4 minus 2. And when I multiply 3 times negative 23 over 4, I get negative 69 over 4 plus 12. So the absolute value of 13 over 4 is just 13 over 4, so I remove it from the brackets. And when I add negative 69 over 4 plus 12, I get negative 21 over 4. On the left side, when I do negative 13 over 4 minus 2, I get negative 21 over 4. And the right side I already had negative 21 over 4. Since the left side equals the right side, that means that my answer of negative 23 over 4 is a real solution. Now I have to plug in my second answer to see if that one is also a real solution or extraneous. So from here I had x equals negative 5 over 2. So I replace x with negative 5 over 2 on both sides. Next, I'm going to combine the like terms inside. So negative 5 over 2 plus 9 is going to be 13 over 2. And when I multiply 3 times negative 5 over 2, I get negative 15 over 2 plus 12. So the absolute value of 13 over 2 is still 13 over 2. And negative 15 over 2 plus 12 is going to give me 9 over 2. So when I combine these two together, I end up getting negative 17 over 2 equals 9 over 2. Negative 17 over 2 does not equal 9 over 2. And so then for my solution of x equals negative 5 over 2, I would put here that it's an extraneous solution.